Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Ford Explorer and we're going to do the tail light tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the tail light looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light lens. So we're going to need two solutions in order to do the prep. Our first solution is our Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is our Tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So we're going to use our Slip solution first and apply it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, we're going to make sure we start removing any contaminants that the tail light may have. And also just make sure to clean around the surrounding area of the paint. That way, in case the film does touch paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so flip your microfiber towel around to a clean side. Grab your Tack solution and spray it onto the microfiber towel. And what this does is it's going to help remove any hard contaminants that the lens may have. Let's say like any wax, coating, or any other contaminants. This will help remove it. Okay, so once we're finished with the prep, now we can start with the installation. We're going to start with piece number 1 that covers this section where the reverse light is located. So when you have your kit, it will be this piece right here. This piece will go for this section here. So apply Slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film, and make sure you just have it aligned to this small little body line here on the tail light. And a little bit of the film is going to touch this section here. That's perfectly fine. And this part will cover the bottom section here. And this little cutout will just wrap around this area here. So just apply Tack solution on top, hold it in position, and start tacking it down. Make sure you remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. Do not leave any bubbles underneath. Start from the top and work your way to the bottom. So once you ensure that you remove all of the solution underneath the film, the next thing to do is to make sure you seal this bottom edge here. You will encounter that it lifts and it's not tagging down. In order to help it tack down, just make sure there's no solution underneath the film. Grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Use the lowest setting and just apply heat around this area. Make sure you apply heat evenly. Let the film cool down. You don't need to apply too much heat, just a little bit. Let it cool down, and then with the microfiber towel, help it tack down to the bottom section of the tail light here. You can also wrap your squeegee around your towel and just hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the film starts tagging down to this curved edge here. And then you would just help it align here on this edge. If you need to, you could always lift it and adjust it and tack it down. And then to help it tack down, just do the same steps as how we did it here. Apply a little bit of heat, and then with your microfiber towel, just help it tack down. You will see that the film has the slit cutout design here. This section will be exposed, and also this section that goes on the edge where the tailgate is located, this section is not covered. So it's only this part that's covered and partially this. So just grab your heat device, apply heat, low setting, and then microfiber towel to help it tack down. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And once you're done with piece number 1, we can move on with piece number 2. Okay, so now we're moving on with piece number 2. Piece number 2 will be this piece right here, which covers this section of the tail light. So just peel it off from the sheet. And to start the installation, just apply Slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film and align it to this edge right here. So it should look like this. So it only goes up to the edge right here. It doesn't wrap around the inside, it's just up to the edge right here. So the edge right here, and it lines up perfectly on the bottom here. Make sure that the bottom is being covered. If you need to lift it and adjust it, you can. Double check and see if everything's good, and it should reach to the bottom here. So now just lift it and apply tack solution just a little bit. That way we help remove any fingers that we have on this section here. If you do see this big finger here, just help it shrink little by little with your finger. Don't try to attack it with your squeegee, because if you try to squeegee it down with your squeegee, you will probably crease the film right here. So it's always better to break those big fingers, that way you don't crease the film. So now just tack everything down, start from the top and work your way to the bottom. Always make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film to avoid any bubbles. And make sure that the film is actually going to cover everything also. So like I mentioned, if you need to lift it to readjust it, you can. So it should cover everything, no red exposed. Okay, so like that should be good. And then continue on. Okay, once you finish removing all of the solution that's underneath the film, the next thing to do is to ensure that you tack down this curve here. And once you're done tacking down and securing this curve from lifting, seal the edges around here. That way we can start with the installation on this side. So to tack down this piece here, you're going to apply a little bit of heat, and just with your microfiber towel, help it tack down to the curve here. If you don't apply heat and you just do it like this, you might be able to tack it down, but it would still lift over time. So it's best to just help apply heat. That way we help the film form to the curve and tack down to the edge right here. So right now I'm just helping it sort of form without heat, but if you apply heat, it'll help the adhesive activate faster and tack down to this curve. So as you can see, it's still lifting. So just apply a little bit of heat. Make sure you apply it evenly. Let the film cool down just a little bit. Grab your microfiber towel and just help it tack down. Hold it in position for a couple seconds. And that's pretty much it. You would just repeat this process. Make sure you're gentle when you're doing this. You don't want to rush it because you may crease the film. So just take your time helping the film tack down. Just spread the heat across, not focus on one area. And then with your microfiber towel, go side by side to help it tack down. And it should be like that. Flush, not lifting, and we should be good. Don't forget to seal the edges here before we move on to the next install. So to seal the edges, just apply just a little bit of tack solution on top. Grab your heat device and seal the edges with your microfiber towel and heat. Okay, so now we're moving on with the next piece, piece number 3 right here, which covers this entire section here. So to start the installation, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Apply it to the Taillight. And with this one, you could start either by aligning it here or on this top edge right here. Wherever you start, just make sure it's on the edge. So let's say we start here. It just has to be following how we did the edge design here. So it's right on the edge right there. And then to help it tack down and secure, apply just a little bit of tack solution. You don't need to apply too much. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. You will notice that the film overlaps a little with the film that we installed here. That's perfectly fine. Just help it tack down, remove all the solution, make sure it's not moving. And now we need to stretch this edge of the film to the edge right here as close to it as possible. It doesn't cover fully up to the edge. You just need to make sure to get it as close to the edge as possible. Since this is already blacked out, the important thing is to cover this red color here. So as long as you cover most of it, you should be good. Same goes all around here for the bottom section. So if the film is getting dry, just apply a little bit of slip solution. That way we're able to stretch and align the film. So grab it from here, one hand, and stretch it. And if you need to use your other hand to help it stretch, you can. And it should be like this. Stretch here, and with the other hand help it stretch towards the bottom too as well. This will help remove any fingers that we have on this area here. Start grabbing your squeegee and bring down the solution, and also help tack down this area here with your squeegee. And if you need to lift to help remove any fingers, you can. And if it's getting dry, you can always come back and apply slip solution. You always want to make sure that the film is able to move around, because if you try to stretch it and it gets stuck, you may tear the adhesive. And if you tear the adhesive, then it's going to show a mark onto the tint that won't disappear. So you have to be very careful not to tear the adhesive also. Okay, so it should look like this. We'll come back later to this side here. We just need to focus on this side here first. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath this area here. And then to tack down this section here, we're just going to take our time applying a little bit of heat with a little bit of tack solution to help remove and tack down these fingers. Just apply slip solution on the edge here. And what we could do here too, because it's not covering, just lift it just a little bit and help it stretch to the bottom. That way we are able to tack it down. But because it's getting dry, just apply slip solution that we're able to stretch and align it. By doing this, we help remove any fingers that we may encounter on these two areas here. And just make sure this is being covered. There you go. Okay, so hold it in position and start tacking it down slowly. And everything is being covered on this area here. And now focus around this section here. Just apply a little bit of heat, and just like how we did it for this section here, apply heat and just help it tack down. So now we're moving on to the last piece that covers just this section of the tail light. So it's this last piece here. It looks like this. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we align it on this edge here. Place the film on the edge. Make sure it stays there. And it's only covering this top and face section here. It doesn't wrap around on the bottom section. It's just this section here. Carefully lift the film and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. That way your squeegee is able to glide and tack down the film. Make sure you remove all of the bubbles underneath the film. Tack it down, secure it, and then just slightly stretch it up until you cover this red section here, because the red reflector only goes up to a certain edge here. So just stretch the film until you cover everything. That way you help remove all these fingers here. So to stretch it, after you tack it down, apply slip solution, and it's just a light stretch. That way it looks like this. So stretch it, hold it, and start tacking it down. Pretty simple. Make sure you tack down the top, remove all of the fingers. Double check and see that there's no bubbles. And then make sure these fingers aren't popping up. And if you do continue to encounter these fingers on the top section, well, two things you can do is either one, grab your microfiber towel, wrap it around your squeegee and just help it tack down like this. Hold it in position for a couple seconds where the finger's located. And if that doesn't help, then you will go ahead and apply heat to help shrink those fingers down. But this should do the trick. It looks flat, should be good. Everything's good. Once you're done with the entire installation, we can move on to the last step, which is post heating. So once you're done with the entire installation for the Taillight tint, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the entire film. Make sure you have your microfiber towel, because this will help you tack down the edges and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. And you can use a heat device to help apply heat. That will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Use the lowest setting, and then once you're done with the entire tail light post heating, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the Ford Explorer. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.